and welcome to Ask Team Rustic. I'm Kasey and I answer your emails.
And I'm Kassie. I'm a craftswoman in the shop. Today we're answering the question, what do I do if my ring doesn't fit? So Kasey, what do they do?
Well, the good news is we can usually resize a ring either a quarter size larger and a quarter or a half size smaller. But anything more than that, it's going to need to be an exchange.
Perfect. So what is the difference between a ring size and an exchange?
That's a great question. The difference is with a resize, we're going to take your existing ring and either add or take away a small amount of material in order to make that ring a better fit. And with an exchange, you're going to send your ring back to us and we're going to create a whole new ring for you.
That's right. So here it's important to note that using one of our ring sizers is essential, and that's because traditional jewelers don't size for our comfort fit rings.
If your ring does not fit, if it's too big or if it's too small or if the width of the ring is uncomfortable, just reach out to us at team@rusticandmain.com and we'll walk you through the process. And when you do, the one thing is important to note is take this card that you got with your ring and we're going to say tear away the back side of it and make sure you check off either resize or exchange and be sure to include your order numbers so when your ring comes back to us, we know whose it is and what we need us to do with it.
That's right. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again next time.